I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how to do a pigtail. So because we're working with over-unders, every once in a while, our ends are going to end falling between the two selvage warps and landing on the front of your tapestry. This blue here landed between the two selvage warps, but landed on the back of the tapestry. We like that. We don't need to do anything with that. Later we'll sew that end in. But when it lands on the front of your tapestry like this, you can do what's called a pigtail. So how you do a pigtail is you take this weft that's come between the selvage edge warp and the next one to it, land it on the front, you're going to take it and you're going to put it between those two warps and bring it to the back. So now we can see that it's now going across two warps at the back. Then we're going to swing it around the selvage warp from the outside and put it between those two warps again from the back. And then what that's going to do is give us a nice rounded selvage edge and have that end landing in the back of your tapestry. And that's called a pigtail. Might be a little loose at first, but as we weave over it, it'll get packed in there.